If you have forgotten the screen lock password to your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G and you wish to unlock it, then unfortunately you will need to perform the factory reset of your phone. You will need to erase all data, and we need to do this through the recovery mode. So first, what we need to do is connect our phone to a computer through the USB-C cable. So use your USB cable and connect to the computer. After that, what we need to do is turn off our phone. However, in some cases we cannot turn off our phone if we don't enter the password. So for example, if you can, or we're gonna try to do this, so press and hold the power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to see the power menu. So now let's try to power off, and if you can power off, then good. Unfortunately, in my case, as you can see, I have to enter PIN to turn off the phone. So we need to do a little workaround. And what we need to do is we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button in order to do the force restart. And once the screen is completely off, you want to switch from these two buttons to power button and volume up. And we need to hold it until we see the Android recovery menu. If you can turn off your phone, even though you don't remember the password, you cannot enter it, then wait for the charging information to appear. You will see the battery charging information, the percentage, and then you can press and hold power button and volume up. So let's get right into it. First, the force restart, so press and hold power button and volume down. I'm gonna give it one more try. Alright, and we need to keep holding it until the screen is off. And after that, switch to power button and volume up. And keep holding it like this until you are in the recovery mode. Unfortunately, Samsung devices after force restarting are pretty slow for some reason, and it takes even a minute for the device to turn on. So we need to keep holding it like this even for a minute. But essentially we are waiting for the Samsung logo. There we go, and keep holding. Soon we should be in the recovery mode. There we go. Alright, so now over here we can navigate by using volume buttons. So we want to choose wipe data / factory reset and confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then once again go to factory data reset and confirm by pressing the power button, and follow the instructions to finalize this process. You will have the initial configuration again, and like I said, unfortunately we have to erase all data, but this is so far the only way to unlock our phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!